Ramdam ko ang halik niya sa leeg ko, pababa sa aking.
At mas pag-uusapan.
Tinanggal niya bigla yung panty ko.
Mga sikretong dito mo lang mapapakinggan. Top Secrets. Top Secrets. Top Secrets. Top Secrets.
Hi Kabisyo, welcome to the program Top Secrets, kung saan pwede kang makapagbahagi ng iyong pinakatatagong sekreto. And your secrets are safe with me. Meron na po tayong caller on the line. Hello, magandang gabi sa iyo.
Hi, good evening po.
Good evening. Pwedeng malaman kung anong pwede naming itawag sa iyo?
Ano na lang po, Ali.
Ali, ilang taon ka na?
28.
28. Saang lupalop ka naman galing, Ali?
Manila.
Manila. Ali, 28 from Manila. Ready ka na ba, Ali?
Yes.
Okay, Ali, ano ang top secret mo?
I sabotaged my ex-boyfriend's relationship para bumalik siya sa akin.
Oh, you sabotage your ex's current relationship para bumalik siya sa'yo. Tama ba ako?
Yes.
Did you succeed?
Yeah. We're together na ulit.
Wow. So, paano mo naisip, paano mo pinagplanuhan lahat? Dalhin mo kami dun sa proseso mo kung bakit, paano, anong nangyari.
Okay. We've been together kasi for magsi 7 years. And he's older than me. So he's kind of thinking na of settling down. He's foreign kasi. Tapos, my mom is sick, or my mom was sick. She passed away. My mom was sick with cancer. And
So sorry to hear that.
it's okay, thank you. He couldn't understand kasi our Filipino values. Kasi ako yung eldest, I'm a parentified eldest child of an Asian household. Tapos, ako yung sumasama sa mom ko pag nagkikimo siya that time. Tapos, syempre, di ba may time difference. So, pagod ako from work, tapos sasamahan ko yung mom ko sa chemo. So, during the night, talagang tulog na ako. Tapos hindi niya yun naintindihan na para kasi sa kanya, why can't your mom or your brother or your sister join your mom? Or parang bakit hindi na lang siya mag-isa, ganun. And then I was telling him na bigyan mo ako ng time kasi it's my mom, you know. Hindi naman katulad sa kanila kasi na parang kanya-kanya sila. Tapos we kind of we were fighting all the time. Kada magko-call kami, we just fight over fight. And he was telling me, if you just let me help you with your family situation about your mom, di sana madali.
So anong klaseng help yung ino-offer niya?
Financial, and then he wanted to get married na so that I could go to his country and then earn more, something like that. Pero hindi ko kasi, wala akong time, although that's a good plan, wala akong time na mag-asikaso ng papers kasi nga nagwo-work din ako. Tapos wala akong schedule kasi yung chemo ng mom ko then was every week. So wala akong, saan ko naman isisingit yung pag-ayos ng papers. And then, I don't know, since I'm the eldest and I have that pride of parang, hindi, I have to earn for myself. I don't want handouts kasi. Kasi meron nang parang notion, di ba, na parang if you have a foreigner boyfriend or asawa, parang umaasa ka na lang. And I didn't want that in our relationship.
Yeah.
So feeling ko, dun ako, I was always kind of clinging onto that. Na hindi, may work ako. I have a stable work. I just need to focus on my mom. Tapos, it ended up na, dahil nga away kami ng away, sabi ko, I don't think this is a healthy relationship anymore kasi my mental health is suffering already. Kasi iniisip ko na nga yung mom ko, iniisip pa kita, tapos meron pa akong pile of work.
So, nag-open up ka sa kanya.
Oo. So sabi ko, I don't think this is a healthy relationship. Sabi niya, yeah, me too. I understand. Maybe it's better if we like go our separate ways.
So, naghiwalay nga kayo.
Mutual. Parang, let's go our separate ways while we still still have respect for one another. So, hindi siya messy breakup.
But you know that you still love the person. It's just that feeling mo, hindi lang siya healthy sa mental health mo.
I still love him. Because, 7 years is 7 years. Tapos, di sabi niya, oh, we're still friends, ha? So, yeah, sure. So, sabi niya, let me know if you're gonna start dating other guys. And then I'll let you know.
Ay, may ganun. So, kailangan pa
Kasi
talaga
nga, sabi
inform
niya,
siya.
We're friends. We can still be friends. So I thought na, it's a mature breakup. It's a very, very mature breakup. He's very mature. So I had some time for my mom and everything. Tapos, sabi nung friends ko, alam mo, instead na parang umiiyak pa rin kasi ako kasi sabi ko, ay sayang naman yung 7 years. So why don't you download a dating app? Tapos I met someone, we went out, and then I told him like, hey, I went out with this guy.
Ayun, taray, parang casual lang talaga na, okay, by the way ha, sa ex mo pa talaga.
Tapos sabi niya, that's great. Nung time na to, mga 4 months na kaming wala. Pero we still talk to each other. Every day we still kind of update each other because it was always a routine. And both of us are creatures of routines.
So, hindi nyo na,
that's great.
so hindi nyo na break yung routine na yon na mag-update
Hindi
sa isa't
na.
isa.
Hindi.
Okay.
Tapos when I told him na, hey, I know na we said that we're gonna tell each other if we're gonna start seeing other people. I went on a date. It's a casual date. We just went on this thing. And then sabi niya, oh, that's great. Actually, I've been meaning to tell you. I've been seeing this girl.
Ay, ibig sabihin medyo matagal-tagal na siya nakikipag-date. Tapos, kung hindi ka pa
1
nag-open, di siya mag-open, ganun.
Sabi niya, kasi I always made fun of him. Alam mo yung kasabihan, parang, white people can't dance.
Talaga? Pero legit ba yun na hindi siya masyadong marunong sumayaw?
Legit. Para siyang parang
Dalawang left
wala siya
pa.
lagi wala siya sa rhythm.
Lefties,
Parang,
okay.
hindi mo ba naririnig yung beat? Parang sabayan mo yung beat.
May sarili siyang beat niya, ganun.
Tapos, sabi niya sa akin, okay, well, I really want to learn how to dance. Sabi ko, okay. Pero gusto niya is more on salsa, kasi marunong ako mag-salsa.
Uy.
So, sabi niya, I want to learn how to dance with you. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, I've been meaning to tell you that I'm seeing this girl and we're going on dance lessons for a month.
So, ano naramdaman mo nung sinabi niya sa'yo bigla yun?
It was, syempre nasaktan ako kasi that was something that he wanted to do with me. That we just never got a chance to do kasi nga we're both busy.
Pero yung expectation mo nung time na yon na pag may sinabi siya na gano'n, napaghandaan mo ba yon? Like, okay, mapaghahandaan ko ba pag sinabi niya sa akin may dinidate na siyang iba?
In theory, oo. Na parang hindi kaya ko yon. Because we had a mature breakup. We're still friends. We still talk to each other. So parang mentally and in theory, akala ko kaya ko. And then he sent me a photo. Masakit yung he sent me a photo of them. Nung una, sabi niya, this is our first week when we did our dance lessons. Parang yung casual lang na magkatabi lang sila, na he was kind of leaning on a photo, yung awkward moment. And then he sent me another photo. This is our second week. Yung kamay niya, nandun na sa bewang. Nakalagay na sa bewang.
Grabe sis, kumbaga parang kinukutsilyo na yung puso mo.
And I had to pretend. Kasi
Na okay ka lang.
na mag-video chat kami. Tapos sinesend niya sa akin. Sabi ko, she's cute.
Grabe yung pagpe-pretend mo doon, na yung tumaas pa talaga yung boses mo, ah.
Tapos yung pumipiyok-piyok ka na, parang, she's cute ha. Sabi ko, oh, she looks like Mama Mary. she
Pero legit
Tapos
ba na
parang,
Mama Mary yung itsura?
oo, ang ganda sis. Parang nagmukha akong
Ano?
bubble gum sa kalsada.
Ganun. Uy, grabe ka naman. Hindi naman. Oh, so pagkatapos no, nung sinabi mo yon, paano mo sinabi paano ka nakagawa ng plano ay na hindi kailangan mag-step up ulit ako?
Dumating yung pagiging investigator ko. Sabi niya sa akin, sabi ko, oh, so where's she from? Sabi niya, oh, she's living in this country, but she's originally from another country. So what's her name? Kasi I told him, like, bago ko sinabi yung what's her name, sinabi ko yung pangalan ng kadate ko. So I was out with this guy. What's her name? Tapos sabi niya, oh, her name is this and this. Tapos, tinitake note ko na siya. Tapos sabi ko, pumunta ako sa Google, sinearch ko yung full name, tapos yung city, kung nasan silang dalawa.
Grabe, ang galing mo ha. In fairness naman sa'yo ha. Lahi ka ng Detective Conan ha.
Tapos nakita ko, ang daming list. Yun sa LinkedIn, ang dami. Tapos nakita ko, okay, sabi ko, ano yung work niya? Kasi the guy that I'm with, we were talking about this. This is his work. How about her?
Ang
Sabi ko,
taray
she's-
ha. Meron ka pang pa-background doon sa dinidate mo, pero ang gusto mo lang talagang malaman yung tungkol sa girl.
Tapos sabi niya, she works at this company. Nakita ko agad. Tapos, I searched her Facebook and then I searched her Instagram. Tapos, yung mga tag photos, ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, how is she? What she likes? Sabi niya, she already has a daughter. Sabi ko, okay. Sabi niya, tapos she's older than him. Tapos sabi niya, I don't think she wants another daughter or another child. Tapos doon na doon na yung utak ko na parang sinabi ko, so you broke up with me or we broke up because I'm not ready yet to give up my responsibilities to my family and start a family with you. But you're dating another girl na doesn't want any other children. Kasi he wants children na eh.
So parang hindi naman talaga magtutuloy-tuloy yun. Alam mo naman ng magiging ending na noon. So masasaktan lang din siya, gano'n. Bakit hindi na lang ikaw wala. Kumbaga yung timing lang naman yung hinahanap ninyo, 'di ba?
Tapos sabi niya sa akin, no, yeah, I understand, but she's really great. Tapos yung work niya kasi po is parang every 3 weeks nasa isang country siya, tapos babalik siya dun sa home country niya for 3 days, tapos babalik na naman siya. So every 17 days, bumabalik siya sa home country niya.
Okay, so
Tapos,
meaning hindi sila nakikita within those days.
3 days.
Okay, dun sa 3 days na yon.
Tapos pinalipas ko ng 2 weeks, syempre umiyak ako. Sabi ko, oh my God, nakahanap siya agad. Tapos nagda-dance pa sila. Tapos, sabi niya sa akin, parang 1 month and 2 weeks something, sabi niya sa akin, you know what, I'm really considering na hindi na ako umuwi ng home country ko. I'll just spend all my rotation days, which is 4 days, with her.
Ay, so anong naramdaman mo ulit nun?
Hindi ako papayag.
Ganun yung tumatakbo sa isip mo na hindi ka papayag. So ano nang pinlano mo after ng lahat ng mga ma-realize mo, naramdaman mo at nakita mo na narinig mo?
Sinearch ko yung history ng girl, sa lahat nag-work. Tapos sinearch ko din yung, kasi yung girl was divorced before. Sinearch ko yung divorce documents. Tapos kung anong reason, bakit yung anak ng girls na kaninong custody grinant ng court. Tapos
Grabe
lahat yung
ka,
sinearch
in
ko.
fairness naman sa'yo, yung NBI level mo, FBI, te.
Pwede ako sa NBI. Tapos nakita ko na yung anak nandun sa dad, tapos she just gets visitation rights. Tapos nakita ko kung bakit. Tapos casually minention ko sa kanya, sabi ko, you know what, like, do you guys drink like whenever you're out? Sabi niya, oh no, she doesn't, ganyan kasi she doesn't want to tell me. I think she just doesn't like to drink. Sabi ko, oh, you might ask her, baka meron siyang history about alcohol. And he's very very iffy about those things. Tapos tinanong niya, and then kasi nakita ko sa document na she was abusive to her ex-husband, kaya hindi sa kanya nag-grant. Tapos tinanong ko, tapos nag-spiral, tapos sabi niya sa akin, lahat talaga fini-feed ko siya, but in a casual conversation, yung parang sulsul lang.
Pero anong reaction niya nung lahat ng mga sinasabi mong ganyan?
Parang nasi-shock din siya. Sabi niya, you know what, I spent this, we went out on a movie and then I talked to her about it. And I think she's like this, and she when I talked to her, parang bigla siyang sumisigaw, ganyan.
Oh, so nakikita niya na rin at nararamdaman niya na yung
Oo.
red flags.
Yung mga certain topics na alam ko na yun yung makaka-trigger. Kasi syempre, sinerch ko rin, may dalawang Facebook yung girl, yung lumang Facebook, tas bagong Facebook. So sa lumang Facebook, nakita ko yung mga post ng mga friends niya na hindi siguro alam na may bago na siyang Facebook. Tas doon ko lang tapos pinifeed ko sa kanya yung information. Tapos in return, tinatanong niya yung girl, lumalayo yung loob sa kanya. Siya naman, natu-turn off siya dun sa girl.
O di habang nangyayari lahat ng yun, nalalaman mo reaction ni ex-boyfriend, tuwang-tuwa ka na.
Oo, sabi ko, yes, gumagana to. Subukan mo akong iwan, sasama ako sa'yo.
Okay, so ano nang nangyari after no na nato-turn off na siya? So kailan siya nag-decide na tapusin na talaga yung kanila?
Ako yung nagsabi sa kanya na, hey, since you're dating her, pero alam ko na parang lumalayo ng loob kasi hindi na sila nagde-date everyday. Kasi nga, nag-update kami sa isa't isa everyday, right? Tapos alam ko pag may date sila, hindi siya ganong nagre-reply sa text messages ko.
Iba ka rin
Tapos,
talaga, no? Dapat sinabi mo na lang na, tayo na lang kaya ulit.
Kasi gusto ko galing sa kanya. Tapos sabi ko, and then sabi ko, hey, since you're dating this other girl, I don't think that she'd appreciate it if you're still talking to your ex. And then, I think we should stop talking to each other.
Ay, so ginanon mo pa ha? In fairness naman sa'yo, may paano ka pa.
Parang pakipot siguro.
Pakipot ka pa.
Sabi ko, I think we should stop like parang mag-usap with each other.
So ano sabi niya?
Sabi ko rin, sabi niya, why? We're still friends. We're friends. I thought we were okay. Sabi ko, yeah, we're okay. But I have to admit, parang nasasaktan kasi ako minsan pag sinasabi mo magkasama kayo. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, you know what? I every time I'm with her, I keep thinking na it's so much better with you. Because we've been together.
So doon mo na siya napaamin. In fairness sa'yo, ang galing mo doon sa psycho nung jowa mo. Okay, so nagkabalikan kayo after nung mga ganong. Okay. So ngayon masaya ka na ngayon.
Kasi sinabi ko naman sa kanya na all I was asking you was time. I just need you to give, parang ibalato mo na sa akin yung time na to. Kasi I'm just looking out for my mom. Pag gumaling yung mom ko, kahit kinabukasan ikasal tayo, okay na ako. Basta unahin ko muna yung mom ko.
Kasal na ba kayo ngayon?
Sa June next year.
Ay, advance congratulations to the both of you.
Thank you.
Nice, that's so nice. So ano yung mga realizations mo? We still have 1 minute to talk about it.
You shouldn't play those games. I feel like pinatagal ko lang din yung agony ko. From the very start, I should have told him na, hey, I'm not comfortable with it. Kasi kung sinabi ko sa kanya ng maaga yon, hindi na sana ako every day umiyak ako kasi hindi niya ako na-reply. Ibig sabihin, they're on a date. Hindi ko na, and then I felt bad because I brought that girl down. That's not very a girl's girl of me.
And
Na
that's...
parang nadamay pa siya. And I can't tell him, even now, I can't tell him na, uy, sinabutahe kita ha. Para lang sa akin ka ulit.
Pero secret na natin yun, huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi mo naman na kailangang sabihin pa yun. It's, it is something na parang gagawin mo talaga kapag meron kang care and love for a person. Anyway, maraming salamat sa pagtawag mo ha, Ali. We appreciate it. Thank you!
Thank you!
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!